What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking at a trade I took on EURAUD on May 18th. So if we go into the past, we can see that we were in a pretty strong uptrend, and once I was at the charts, I did notice that price structure changed right in this area right here. And we can see that price did dip below this area a little bit, but not enough to be considered a break. So we get one final retracement before price breaks beneath this, changing structure, and I simply waited for a retest of this structure change, and you can see how we get this right here with this double top right here. And if you can't see that, that's okay, because not everything in the market is as clean cut and perfect as you would like it to be. So you can see this is our double top right here, and then we can have the neckline retest right here. So even if you ended up missing this trade based off of the structure change retest, you could have still gotten in at this neckline right here. So with that being said, we're now in the trade, and the reason why we take our profit over here is because this is previous structure. You can see that we have a head and shoulders right here. You can see we have the left shoulder here, we have the head right here, and we have the right shoulder right here, and then we have the neckline retest of this structure right here. So I went ahead and put my take profit around the right shoulder of that previous structure, and you can see how price did eventually move into that and hit my take profit. Now I will say, while I was in this trade, when I saw this candle, I was really tempted to pull myself out of this trade because price did come down and hit my take profit, but because of the spread on this pair, it did not activate and pull me out of the trade with my profit. So I was really tempted to pull myself out manually and just take what I had gotten so far. But, you know, I sat back, I took a couple deep breaths, and I realized that when you become a trader, you have to stay disciplined and you have to trust your analysis. And you know, sometimes your analysis is going to be wrong, but that's something that you have to stick with and learn by if you want to be a great trader. Because if you let your emotions take over, like I could have right here with this candle, I would have lost out on roughly half of my trade, 34 pips. So by being patient, sticking to my original analysis, 3 hours later, you can see how price did come down and hit my take profit enough that the spread did take me out of the trade. So with that being said, if there's anything in this video you did not understand or you need help with me explaining it more in depth, please leave a comment below. And if you'd like to see when I take these trades live, go ahead and follow me on Instagram and check out my stories. And I will see you guys in the next video.